So today we are going to learn an interesting thing. On how to get emojis in our Excel. We have this list and we need to add emojis to explain better. To introduce the emojis here, we'll just click on your Windows and period. That is Windows and full stop, and that is going to pop up the emoji. You select the cell where you want this emoji to be. So when you select the cell, you click on Windows and hold your period, and this comes out. So because this is love, loves to sing, we're just going to use this love to represent it. For someone that eats always, we can go to the food section and just find something that relates to food. Can just use this to represent the food. And then someone that enjoys dancing, be able to see it here. Someone that loves to bake, we can also go on and take the slice of cheese. So for the love, let's present this with love. So you notice that here has all your most recently used emojis, and here you can search. Here you have your smiley faces and animals. Here you have people. Here you have celebrations and objects. Here you have food and plants. Here you have transportation and places. And then here you have other symbols that you can easily use. So we can just decide to throw in a pivot here. So we've noticed here when we do that we have two hobbies that have to do with love, and then we have just one that has to do with dancing. So this also makes your visuals really good in what you want to present. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.